This frost-free fridge freezer from Hoover is ideal for households who want a quality model which is low maintenance and great value for money. It has an A+ energy rating and a combined capacity of 295 litres. This means it can hold 16 bags of food shopping. It has a 50-50 split between the cabinets, so it's great for stocking up on both fresh and frozen food. The water dispenser on this model gives you chilled water on tap. It's a non-plumbed model, which means the water is stored in a tank within the door. Because it's topped up manually, there's no need for any extra plumbing, meaning you can place it anywhere in your kitchen without worrying about water pipes. This model has Hoover's total no-frost technology that prevents icy build-ups. It works by using a fan to constantly circulate cold air around the cabinet. This stops ice from forming on the inside of your fridge and freezer, so you'll never have to spend time manually defrosting again. If you want a low-maintenance model which is great value for money, this fridge freezer from Hoover is the perfect choice.